Bro, who is this? Who is this? How many? Oh my God, Game Boy. When I got my first Game Boy, I had Pokemon. That was the first game I played. Ooh. Oh. Hold up. I love the guitar. Love the beat already. Come through, come through. Talk your shit. Damn.
Gave you my favorite memories, yeah. I hate the way I let you inside, just so you could take it for granted. 2 years now, I understand it.
She understands it now.
Woo!
He don't want to play. Woo. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, wait. This might be my fave. This might be my fave, y'all. Ooh, talk your shit, girl. Took her love for granted, you dumb bitch. Talking to the person that broke her heart or put her through this. I'm telling you, no, let me talk about shit. To whoever this is about, are you stupid? Are you dumb? Are you stupid? You must be stupid. Bruh. I don't know who this is towards. And if they're watching, they're like, not like they would watch, but I'm just putting that energy out there, you know what I'm saying? Woo. You're never gonna change. You're only gonna be a heartbreak. Woo. No. Okay. Hey, hey. Always be a game boy. These days I don't wanna play, boy. Wanna say you're never gonna change it. Be a heartbreak. Game boy. This is fire too. Ah, bro. 7 for 7 so far, y'all. Hey, 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 hey. Fire. That was fire. Damn, Game Boy, stay a little longer.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.